Welcome to Miss Geography. My name is Derek Eko Ellis, and today I'm taking you through a simple introduction to geomorphology. Before I start, I'd want you to click the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. At the end of our whole lecture series on geomorphology, you'll be able to understand geomorphic processes, understand the research basis of geomorphology, to know the history of geomorphology, and also to understand how to apply geomorphology with other disciplines to solve societal issues. And finally, to understand career opportunities associated with geomorphology. The word geomorphology was coined from the Greek words geo, which means earth, morph, which means form, and logos, which means discourse or study. So basically, we can say geomorphology is the study of earth forms. There are many definitions for geomorphology in different textbooks. However, geomorphology simply deals with the study of earth crust, both the oceanic crust and continental crust, and the processes that result in the formation of its various features. Geomorphology involves the study of the origin, history, composition of landforms, and the processes that result in the formation of such landform features. Geomorphology was first concerned with how landscape evolved through time. Currently, the need to apply geomorphology is well appreciated rather than the historical aspect of the discipline. These days, geomorphologists combine other courses to help understand the processes operating in the Earth's surface and on the Earth crust. Why is it important to study geomorphology? One may ask. Geomorphology is important in understanding and appreciating the beauty of landscape. That is, if you understand how a particular landscape feature has evolved through time and the processes that has been acted upon it, then you'll be able to understand and appreciate its existence. Also, studying geomorphology helps us to be able to predict and mitigate hazards such as earthquake, landslides, erosion, and many others. We are also able to apply geomorphology to solve societal issues. Key issues to consider when studying geomorphology. We have landforms and landscapes, processes that create and modify landforms and landscapes, things that drive and control the processes, how to interpret landforms and landscape, how to make predictions, and how to apply geomorphology. Types of geomorphology. We have structural geomorphology, which deals with the structure of rocks and other relief features. Process geomorphology, which also deals with the study of processes that leads to the formation of particular landform or landscape feature. We have historical geomorphology that also deals with how landscape has evolved over time. And climatic geomorphology also deals with how climatic conditions has altered or changed landscape over time. There are other types of geomorphology that you can find in books like Fundamentals to Geomorphology. Just like any other geography course, geomorphology also employs the use of the why question, what question, how question, and many others. So for example, we ask questions such as, why is the Earth's surface the way it is? Why are there mountains and valleys? Where do landscape materials come from? Why are some places flat and other places lifted so high? Why does land surface materials move down slope? Maybe probably by gravity. Landscapes and landforms, these are very important features, or let's say components of geomorphology. So every geomorphologist must be familiar with these two words. In order to study and understand the different elements that forms the Earth's surface, geographers have organized these elements based on their characteristics. These different groups of elements are referred to as landscape. There are many types of landscapes, example, mountain landscape, coastal landscape, and then riverine landscape. There are many others too. Natural landscapes consist of different kinds of geographical features or units. These different kinds of units or features are what we call landforms. They are characterized by attributes such as slope, height, orientation, etc. Examples of landforms are hills, valleys, sand dunes, and the picture we see here is what we call rock pedestal. They are mostly formed in desert areas or desert regions. Thank you so much for listening or for watching. These are also some sources, material sources for further reading if you want to go in depth into any of these issues that we discussed. You can sort to, and please be sure to subscribe to our channel. Stay blessed and keep learning geomorphology.